This podcast is brought to you by Enlightening Learners Academic Coaching and Tutoring Services.
In this presentation, we're going to determine whether a given number is a solution to an equation. Two questions you'll need to be able to answer. How do you use a replacement set to solve an equation, and how do you solve an equation without any solution sets? Alright, so we're given a series of possible solutions to solve. We're given an equation that 2x is equal to negative 16. We're given these possible solutions to plug in. How do we solve? Well, we write the equation and then we're going to plug each of these values in and see if it's a true solution. So 2, and we're going to place x with our 2. Does that equal negative 16? No. 4 does not equal 16. So that one's no. 2x equals negative 16. We replace our x with a 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 does not equal 16. Our answer is no. We continue to do that until we come up to an answer that works. 2x equals negative 16. We're going to plug in a negative 8. 2 times negative 8. Notice that when I do my substitution, I'm actually doing parentheses to show substitution. Equals negative 16, and negative 16 equals negative 16. That's a true solution. Now, in the work problems, there'll be some problems where you have to pick. There could be two values that actually work. You have to plug in each of the values to make sure that it's true or false. So make sure that you plug in all values. Now, the last question that you need to answer is how do you solve for an equation that doesn't give you solution sets? Let's use the equation negative 3x equals 21. If you're good with your multiplication that's great. If you don't, then you pick your own values. Let's say I try negative 1. I'm going to make myself a little table. I'm going to write my equation. And I'm going to pick values to plug in. And I'll try 0. Now I can do this however I want. 1, negative 3 times 0. I know that doesn't equal 21, so that's no. Negative 3 times 1, I know that doesn't equal 21. It's got to be something larger. And I just continue to plug in values until I get my correct answer. And I'm going to plug in, I know that a negative times a negative is a positive, so it has to be a negative value. I'm going to try negative 7. Negative 3 times negative 7 equals 21. Negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 does equal 21. That's a true solution. So in essence, you just pick your own values to plug in and work it out until you get the correct answer.